Understanding these content layouts and spacing will allow you to build anything from scratch. But blocks and templates will save you lots of time by making the design work easier. So let's see how to do that. Let's click the plus icon above the container that we just created. And instead of the plus here, this time let's click on the Starter Templates icon. Here, we don't want to import a full page just yet, but instead we want to import part of one called a block. Let's click this, and I could search for what I wanted, or if I scroll down, I might want to grab this one. After clicking it, I'll import the block. And you can see that here. Let's add another, but this time we can add a page. You can see the template that we're using here, but let's look at Hope. Click this and Home. We can look at what we have here and then import this template, and I can close this. And obviously it doesn't make sense to import a whole page here. So as I go through and review, I can delete the containers that I don't need. So maybe I only need this client testimonial from that full page template, and I can make sure to remove everything else. So this is what we just imported as a block. And this we imported as a page, though we didn't keep much of the page at all.